In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Rode mic to GoPro 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a Rode microphone and the GoPro 9 or any other model, you can connect them together directly. It is easy to do, and the best way to do this is going to be using the provided cables. So, Rode will usually include a USB cable like this one and also a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. You can use either of these. If you want to connect it over USB, then look on the charging port of the GoPro 9 and connect it directly. One end of the cable goes into the GoPro and another one goes into the Rode mic, receiver or transmitter. Alternatively, you can purchase something like this that gives you access to a 3.5 millimeter port. So you plug this into the GoPro and then you plug the Rode mic into this port using the 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter cable. Regardless of how you choose to approach this connection, you simply have to ensure that the Rode mic, transmitter, or receiver is properly and directly connected to the camera. And as long as you use either the USB or 3.5 millimeter cable, you will be good to go. You can use adapters if needed, so if you want to convert this USB-A into USB-C, use the proper adapter and you will be able to establish this connection between both. It doesn't matter which you pick, both are going to work. If you have the media mod for the GoPro, you can also use the ports directly attached to those, but you should be able to do it natively without purchasing any sort of accessory like this adapter made by GoPro or any other sort of converter like USB-A to USB-C. As long as you plug it in directly with the USB or 3.5 millimeter cable, you can use them together. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Rode mic to GoPro 9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.